With the Samsung Galaxy A34, you don't get a headphone jack. A34 doesn't have a audio DAC built-in. So you have to use a USB Type-C to 3.5mm converter. But the problem is most of the third-party converters won't work with the Galaxy A34. Some people say the Ugreen converter works, but some say it doesn't. I haven't really tested Ugreen converters, so I can't say anything about that. This is the first converter that I brought only for 300 rupees, but unfortunately it didn't work. I couldn't return it because I brought it on online shop. So I decided to go to a local shop and buy a converter. It wasn't easy to find a converter, but I did go to few shops and I found a compatible converter for Galaxy A35 5G phone. And this converter is 1000 rupees and it's in a white box as you can see, but I can't see a brand name, but just a model number. Audio quality is good, but microphone quality is not that impressive. If you're considering to buy this, please check the audio and mic quality before buying. Thanks for watching and please hit that like button. If you have any questions to ask, comment it down below.